Good morning! Move aside, Disneyland. This is the happiest place on earth. What do you think of our room? Okay. Okay.
ये जो न पागल हो चुके. So in all the hurry.
I'm so excited. I'm so excited, and it feels so good to kick off a vlog from a car where I'm on the way to the airport. It's been a while since I did this. Hello, hello, hello to our first proper family vacation. It is a short one. It's only a few days, 3-4 days. We are headed to Goa. When I say we, I mean obviously me, obviously G, and we have our two members over here who have never been to Goa. Hi Parukhala. Hi Raphael. Hi Raphael. Goa is so special to his parents, and Parukhala is very excited bhi hai, nervous bhi hai क्योंकि वो plane में पहली बार बैठ रहे हैं, and she's asked me like the cutest questions. अभी तक तुमने मेरे को क्या क्या पूछे हो? प्लेन में मूव हो सकते हैं क्या? शी वॉज वेरी सरप्राइज कि प्लेन में बाथरूम होता है. शी वॉज वेरी
नहीं, प्लेन में कोई बाथरूम नहीं होता है, बाहर जाकर.
She asked me all of these really adorable questions, and I'm so excited because मैं कम से कम 3-4 सालों से उनको बोल रही हूँ कि हम कहीं तो जाएंगे प्लेन में साथ में, कहीं तो जाएंगे प्लेन में साथ में. Her passport seems to be an issue right now, like making it is a little bit of an issue at the moment. I'm thanofying to try and find a way to figure it out because I really want her to like travel with us in general. Even before the baby, I had said this to her. Now to all the more, and I'm very excited because it's her first flight, and I have booked her the window seat ताकि वो बाहर देख सके. Oh, she's like नहीं, मैं आँख बंद करके बैठूंगी, मुझे डर लगता है हाइट से. अब like कुछ डर नहीं लगेगा. You can move in a plane, you can do everything normally in a plane. And I've got a bunch of toys for Raphael because we want to obviously keep him as busy as possible through the flight. When he did his first flight to Bombay, which was a 17-hour flight from California, he was so small. He was not a problem, not a pain, didn't cry, nothing at all. He was very chill because he just slept through the entire plane ride. Now, even though it's just a 45-minute plane ride, he's almost 10 months old. So ab pata chalega how he actually does with travel. So very excited! I'm so excited to just have a beachy change of scene. And if you know me, you know what I'm gonna want to eat as soon as I land in Goa. If you don't know, you will find out. Nanu didn't go to the gym. Did she bite to you? Huh? So lost, एकदम ख्यालों में गुम.
So in all the hurry, I kind of forgot to get a book, which I usually do for flights. So I'm headed to Crossword right now while the fam is waiting at the gate. Flight maybe 10-15 minutes delayed, I suppose. Found a book and found His Royal Highness getting his royal treatment.
nothing I say at all is gonna do justice to how beautiful this room is, this suite is. First of all, look at this beautiful work of art above me. It is stunning. Like literally, I know I shouldn't be touching it, but I want to touch it just to show you. Can you see the 3D layers to it? It is absolutely stunning. We have a plunge pool. Well, it's not really a plunge pool. It's a pool that pans across the living room and the master bedroom, which is just in the heart of so much greenery. I cannot get enough of this view. We've been here for 15 minutes and I think I've spent 13 of those minutes staring out of the window. The baby is so happy over here. He's crawling around like crazy. He's made kind of friends with a couple of the staff already, which is fantastic. They're all so lovely and friendly. The bathroom is humongous. There is a wardrobe. I love the vibe. I love that there's such a big ass kitchenette. I love that there is a 4-seater dining table that, by the way, because we've just ordered room service, we landed in and we knew we were coming in just post lunch hours. They were like, do you want to order food and keep that going? And they actually had the dining table ready for us. We ordered the food about 10 minutes ago. And as soon as we came in, and I hope that we will get it soon because because I want to feed the baby something. I've got some fruits kept aside which now Parukhala is feeding him, and there's a powder room over here as soon as you enter from the door over here. Just the aesthetics, the way it's done, it's all so nicely thought out. The colors are so soothing, and I'm just really looking forward to the next 3 days. I really truly am. Rafa got a little welcome gift as soon as we came in, which is just so sweet. The Marriott in Bombay did something like this for him as well. If you haven't seen that vlog, go catch that vlog. But it is just so nice, and I'm just literally just walking around. She's washing his hands now, and just realizing that there's so many details I didn't even take in. Like I barely saw the back of the headboard, and this literally is like a piece of art. I really appreciate things in details like these. Jerry, what do you think of our room?
Very nice.
Beautiful, no? I can't have enough of this bathroom. These his and her sinks, inshallah someday I want to have a bathroom where we can have in our master bath. And for a hotel, this wardrobe size is mashallah. Hi. Namaste.
I'm here with the food now.
Yes, thank you so much. This literally feels like we've come home to food because they've set up the table and all so wonderfully. We've got the watermelon and feta salad that I ordered. We've got Jerry's Goan fish curry. We've got Parukhala's truffle mushroom pizza. And we've got some butter garlic prawns for me. Of course, let's also send some additional salads here and there, Indian style especially, and some pappers here for Jerry. My mouth is salivating. They were nice enough to send the baby's food a little bit earlier. The dal khichdi with some butter. Raphael has already finished his food. Jerry, come, khaka time for you and me and Parukhala. Chalo, chalo. We are off to the L'Occitane Spa. I'm so excited for this because this is a brand that I love so much, and both of us really need full body massages. Okay, literally walking into this, my nose is like so grateful. It smells amazing. Good morning! Good morning! Good morning from Goa. Our sir has had a night of majorly on and off sleep, and then he woke up when the phone rang. Wow! We're about to have an in-room breakfast, a floating breakfast in our pool. Ah! Yes! Yes! Appa is making his black coffee and Parudani is doing some bottle cleaning. I've ordered everyone's breakfasts. Here's what the itinerary looks like for the day. Everybody suno. हम नाश्ता करेंगे अभी रूम के अंदर, लाइक पूल के अंदर, रूम के अंदर। उसके बाद हम तैयार होके निकल के जाएंगे मामा के फेवरेट रेस्टोरेंट में इन गोवा फॉर अ क्विक ब्रंच, बिकॉज मामा को नहीं लगता है that I have come to Goa if I have not eaten my crab cakes from Britos. उसके बाद थोड़ा सा धूप कम होगा तो we can go to Vagator beach or also which is close by to this hotel. What do you think? So we need to figure all of that out. Those are roughly the things I want to do. Oh wait, before we leave, we have bowling booked, right, Jerry, today? So after breakfast, we get ready. First, we're going to go to bowling. This property has a whole game salon arcade situation, which is so cool. Like if you're coming with friends or coming with you want to climb up? Go, I'll help you. Go, I'll help you. I'm here, I'll help you. Go. And we have a couple of games of bowling booked for us at the arcade, which I'm personally very excited for. It's been a couple of years since I went bowling. I used to love, my friends and I used to go bowling literally every weekend at one point. So excited for that. And then from there we will leave for the brunch situation. I forgot about the bowling there for a second. Hey, Bobby. He is a number 2 in progress, which is why he's being like a little bit. Are you done? Are you done? On and off? Okay, we'll get him in a swimsuit. We'll get myself in a swimsuit because the floating breakfast needs us to naturally be in the pool. And we are the 2 water bodies that love water bodies. Hi, honey. Hi, honey. Our floating breakfast is here, and no point for guessing, it looks fantastic. There's so much delicious food. We also have some dosas which are kept on the side because they're not part of this, obviously. That's for Jerry and Parukhana who are not coming in the pool. But I am taking my baby in the pool. Baby. I'm there. I'm right here. Mama's got you. Hey. Hey. Can you see him wiggling his legs? इसके लिए तो मैं आगे लेके जा रही
Hi, we are on our way. Are lift we were waiting for you. Sorry, we were waiting for you. We are on our way to your mama's favorite restaurant in Goa called Britos. I'm so excited to give him Britos ka food. Sounds like I'm talking about some Michelin star, but it's just close to my heart and my tummy. Come this side.
Aside Disneyland, this is the happiest place on earth for me. I'm joking, but hey Disneyland, I love you. I still want to come back to you, okay? But my stomach is about to get real happy. Guys, how long have you followed me for? Do you know this crazy obsession of mine? Do you not know this crazy obsession of mine? They're there, but I'm not going to wait. I'm going to go. He's brainwashing our tiny child about me and my love for Britos. You're bitching about me, aren't you, to him?
I said this is where your mama comes to eat.
Really?
Yeah.
You're not telling him I'm crazy for my
house.
obsession?
So mama's favorite place where she eats yum crabs, and then this where one day.
The food has been ordered
and I'm excited to just eat. Takes me back to those summers in my early, mid, late 20s when we would come here.
Walking and I putting on a rocket, now it's flying all the way to you. We go ba 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 ba. We go ba.
The guy came back and said, "You sure you want another portion?" Because we added. And Jerry's like, "Ye kha legi." So even he started laughing.
You know you want it. You know you want it. You know you want it. So you should go and get it.
The second portion is here, to nobody's surprise. Can I begin to tell you how happy my heart and my stomach are with that meal? I have been coming to Brito's since I was in college, and so it just holds a very nostalgic, special place in my heart. And even though Raphael absolutely refused to eat anything, he was not in the mood to eat, and I think it was a little hot for him because it's outdoors, it's obviously by the beach, so they don't have an air conditioner. I think he was just feeling very hot. He knows I'm talking about him, that's why he's looking here and he's like, "Meri maa kya bol rahi hai?" But he's not eaten anything is what I'm saying, and I'm going to get back to the hotel and feed him something and get him down for a nap. Parukana, तुमको मेरी सबसे मनपसंद रेस्टोरेंट कैसी लगी? अच्छी, बहुत अच्छी, मजा आया. Jerry, did you enjoy your Zakuti?
Yes.
Yes, you did. You look so sweet with this hat on, by the way, babe. It's being cute. You're not going for sweet and cute. What are you going for?
Cowboy.
A cowboy? You want to wear a sun beach hat that looks like it belongs on your wife's head and you want to go for cowboy?
I'm a beach cowboy.
You're a beach cowboy. I think you're a crazy cowboy, but okay. On our way back to the Marriott, which is about 15-20 minutes. So it's really sunny. I don't think we're going to get out for a bit. I feel like if Raphael gets down for a nap after eating something, I'm going to join him and take a quick nap as well. Where are we going, Raphael? After that lovely nap you and I had, we're going to the gaming center. They have a full-fledged arcade game area over here. And that's where we're taking little Rafa for his first bowling session. Don't worry, he won't bowl, but we're gonna bowl. Yay! Rafa! Gaming area for you. Little gaming area for the baby.
Welcome to the machine.
So it's dinner time, the baby is asleep. Parukhana is going to look after him in the room. We've ordered biryani for her to be delivered in the room. And Jerry and I are going to the restaurant to eat. They have a Goan thali tonight. I'm not really a thali person, so I'm glad I had a little bit of pasta while bowling. But Jerry is really excited for this Goan thali experience. It's at JW Kitchen, which is their in-house restaurant where all the breakfast and all of that also happens all the time. Both of us, particularly tired actually, and we're so not used to being this dead on a staycation, but with the baby, the experience is naturally a little bit different than it used to be. So I don't have any energy to put effort into dressing up. Super cash, no makeup and this. I just want to eat, rest. Tomorrow's our last day here. And tomorrow, most likely, we'll stay in the hotel through the day. Let's see. Actually, no, we'll go to the beach because we couldn't do that today. So, fingers crossed, last exciting day tomorrow, and then we get back to Bombay day after tomorrow. But we leave in the morning. So, we're kind of considering tomorrow to be our last day. So,
Good morning, Parunani. Thank you, Parunani, for opening the door for us. We are on our way to breakfast. Papa will join us a little bit later. We are headed to some pasta.
My traditional Goan breakfast, masala omelette with a little bit of chicken charcuterie on it, and the bread oil.
Later.
Here we are for lunch. We're at the Agua Cafe, and the pool is behind me. I know you can see behind me.
Doing that off camera thing again.
Yeah, behind me. Now I'm doing on camera. Behind me. These two are right here. Both are very matchy. I think he's trying to eat her jewelry. Aren't we feeding him enough?
So I've placed my food orders and Jerry is looking for something for himself, and I'm really hungry already. No points for guessing, but when we're like out and about and super active, the hunger kicks in really quickly as well, even though I had a good breakfast. There's great music here, great vibes. This is a great place to come to, even if you happen to not be staying at the Marriott here in Goa. Even if you just want to come and do like a lunch brunch scene or a sundowner scene, actually, this would be fantastic because they've got great food, I've been told, which of course abhi pata chalega, but they've got a huge bar over here just in case you're not a teetotaler like us, and there's a nice big pool. There's lots of people, so I don't really want to capture people swimming in my vlog because I feel like that's a little bit of a privacy issue for them, and I wouldn't want to do that. But there's like a really nice setup going on over here, and there's one more floor on top where we actually went and walked to before this, where they had like a whole shisha lounge kind of vibe going on with shishas on every table too. So yeah, just keep that option in mind if you're looking for a nice bougie place to come to for a lunch when you're in Goa next, even if you're not staying here, which obviously I do recommend because everything so far has been a 10 out of 10. I can't believe we're leaving tomorrow. Excuse me, what do we do of this child who likes to throw himself back these days? It's like he's testing his own head, neck, back coordination, but also our reflexes. Suddenly he'll just go twang. After a lovely little nap that here, Your Highness got, we are on our way to the beach. Vagador Beach is close by and hum sab beach ja rahe hain. The plan is that we come back in about an hour. It's 4:30 now. If we're back in an hour, then we can do sunset at the rooftop, which was really beautiful in the afternoon, but obviously very sunny. So we can do a little sundowner, eating, putting the baby in the baby pool. Careful. Sambalo. Jerry, that's too high, the baby. Buddy, it's your first beach trip. The next POA is to have Raphael's feet dipped in the ocean and see his reaction to, oh my god, my Birkenstocks are gonna get completely spoiled in this Gila wala sand shit.
Gonna fly away, go a million miles, take a holiday where I can hide a while, where the crowds are gone
Did you have a good time?
Right next to JW Marriott is a bunch of shops where I want to do a little bit of shopping from. I spotted some nice kaftans and I want to see those. Let me see what I can get. Holding the camera in one hand, I'm hoping that doesn't drive the prices up. Is that still a thing? I don't know. I also see some shirts I might want to take for Jerry. Let me first do mine and then I'll do a haul for you if I do land up buying something. I knew I spotted kaftans somewhere. Oh, they're not cotton. What was I expecting? I don't know. ये काफ्तान्स कितने के हैं?
उसमें पसीना नहीं आता है ना।
नहीं, ये मेरे पास ऐसे फैब्रिक के मैंने ट्राई किए हैं मुझे पहले।
इसमें ना आप कितना भी गर्मी में पहनो, थोड़ा सा भी स्लिप
नहीं दीदी, नहीं होगा मेरे से।
और एक आता है
आपके पास कॉटन में है लेकिन कुछ भी, क्योंकि गर्मी के हिसाब से मैं सोच रही हूँ। ये वाले शर्ट्स 5 और साइजेस हैं। I have not set my face down with anything and I regret it because my face is sweating, even though not much else is. The fellow big girls know exactly what I mean. I like the look of the clothes over here, but the materials unfortunately were not great. And I really like those 2 shirts that I saw for Jerry and Rafa, but the materials weren't great. Having said that, weren't great meaning those were not summer friendly. But if Jerry likes them, we can pick them up in the morning because we're leaving for the airport. Namaste. Anyway, we're leaving for the airport in the morning by around 10:30 and the stores open at 9. So you can always just throw it in the bag. The shop is right next to the gate. You literally saw me walk back and I'm in the property already. My fam is waiting for me over there. Chalo, chalo. यहाँ पे जाना है ना स्विमिंग पूल के लिए, पारुखाला pool ना, for the baby pool, for the baby. Who is going inside the baby pool? Who is going? मस्ती all the time मस्ती। सोने के टाइम पे आज आप जाग रहे हो।
These 2 are matching.
Actually, even Parukhala, these 3 are matching.
These 3 are matching, and I've been put in a white t-shirt apparently.
वो white t-shirt, ये सब इत्तेफाकी से हुआ है। हमने प्लान थोड़ी ना किया है। Tell them where you're going.
We are going to the lobby for the Diwali rituals that Marriott has very kindly put together.
And
We're
imagine-
gonna see what's gonna happen.
And he was supposed to be kind
Asleep.
of starting to fall asleep.
Yes, clearly
because
he's
सात
not.
बज रहे हैं, but sir is in such a masti mood. Such a masti. Oh, masti. Oh, masti.
ये दोनों पागल हो चुके हैं।
Masti.
ये दोनों पागल हो चुके हैं।
Good morning from Rafa and Rafa ki mummy. We are wide awake. It is 7 a.m. We've been waking up and going to sleep and waking up and going to sleep since 5:30. It was his dad's duty last night. Actually, it was his dad's duty the night before last. Parukhala and I pulled an extra shift and did 2 nights in a row. And then last night his dad took care of him, and his dad takes care of him so well. This boy loves his dad so much that when it's his dad's night, he will sleep through so well. Only on mama's nights, you get up multiple times. Okay. Appa, you give peace of mind too. Yeah. And then both of them were adorably cuddling and sleeping all through the morning also after 4 a.m. Parukala is looking at. I'm getting into packing mode already because we want to make sure everything's in place. The goal is to get out of the property. We love this property so much. It's going to be so special to us. We want to get out by 10:30, right? So we should be at breakfast by 9. I also want to take a couple of pictures near breakfast. It's a really cute spot. If we manage to, then I would love to. And packing, in a sense, most of the things are in place, but like bas cheezon ko andar dalna hai and all. Careful. Nah, careful. And that is the morning plan. If everything goes as per plan, and if our Air India Express return flight is on schedule, then we should be taking off by 1:45 and we should be home before 4 p.m. So you shouldn't be reaching for the camera. Hey! That's a new tripod Mama bought. Okay? Okay.
We have a new member to join our little tradition of doing bye room. Parukala is in the bath, so we make her do it as well. Bye room.
Bye room.
Bye
Say
room.
bye room. This is
Bye
what your
room.
mother does.
Bye room. Not just mother, even you do it.
To the rooms that she likes, she goes like bye room.
So if
bye
I
room,
don't do this to any room, you know I didn't
room,
like it.
Bye room.
Bye room. Bye
mama.
room. I'm taking Rafa for breakfast while Jerry and Parukala join us after the suitcases are picked up. Bye room.
Bye room.
Bye room.
Bye room.
Bye room.
ये सोचता है मेरे माँ बाप दोनों पागल हैं.
उसको तो पता ही चल जाएगा एक दिन कि मेरे माँ बाप दोनों पागल हैं. थोड़ी जल्दी बता दे हम. बस मेरी एक बाल की क्लिप मिल जाए, which I think I've misplaced somewhere. I hope it'll come out of one of the bags.
Maybe he's eaten it.
The things my husband says, really. Bye room. Bye lovely, lovely.